It's 11:15 p.m. You've been scrolling for 40 minutes. You aren't reading the posts. You aren't even liking the photos. You are just moving your thumb. You tell yourself you're winding down, but your heart rate says otherwise. Then, that familiar weight hits your chest. In the US, we call it the Sunday Scaries, that low-level dread for a Monday that hasn't even arrived yet. You aren't lazy, and you aren't just tired. You are experiencing a specific kind of internal erosion, a burnout that doesn't feel like fire. It feels like emptiness. Research suggests that the average adult makes roughly 35,000 decisions every single day, from coffee choices to career moves. Psychologists call this ego depletion, a concept pioneered by Roy Baumeister. It suggests that your prefrontal cortex, the brain's willpower center, is like a finite battery. Every choice drains it. By 5 p.m., you're not just physically spent, you're cognitively bankrupt. This leads to impulsivity, poor choices, and that persistent, done feeling. This explains why, after a long day, the simplest question, "What do you want for dinner?" feels like an assault.
I just don't understand why you're so upset about this.
Because it's not fair, and you know it.
Your brain has no yes left. But decision fatigue has a silent partner: digital overload. Every notification demands a micro-decision. Check it, ignore it, reply. Even ignoring it costs mental fuel. We're the first generation in a hyper-response world, always on, yet deeply disconnected. You feel behind even when you're grinding. That's not low productivity. That's a nervous system starved for off-the-grid time. You can't quit your job or flee to the woods, but you can reset your system. Western clinical psychology offers simple protocols to reclaim your headspace. First, the digital sunset. At 9 p.m., your phone goes to another room, not the nightstand. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's noon. Claim 2 hours of analog calm before sleep. Second, the 3-3-3 rule for mornings. Name 3 work tasks that truly matter, and deprioritize the rest. Pick 3 micro-joys: a favorite coffee, a short walk, or one perfect song. Take 3 minutes of silence. No podcasts, no music, just breath. This isn't productivity porn. It's reclaiming your humanity. If you felt that empty battery lately, understand that it isn't a flaw in your character. It is a natural reaction to an unnatural world. You are allowed to be unavailable. You are allowed to be quiet. You are allowed to be safe here in the present moment. If this spoke to you, perhaps you're ready for more quiet insights. Subscribe. Let's reclaim your headspace together.